Hey everybody, Scotty with Big Rig Chrome Shop here for another product spotlight. Today we're looking at Pypes exhaust. This is one of our newest displays. What we're looking at here is a 6.6 inch 304 stainless steel exhaust kit. We have the Aussie top stacks here on this kit. They're 120 inch stacks, so you can cut them down to size or you can leave them at that 120. This one comes with the T-pipe. We also have the muffler option as well for under the frame muffler if you're looking for that. They come in an 8 or a 10 inch as well. We also have the flat top, the miter top, the turnout, and the chino, as well as with the Aussie that you see here. They're a really high quality kit. If you're looking for an alternative to the chrome that you see on a lot of trucks, here's a very, very high quality 304 stainless steel option from Pypes Exhaust. Come on down to 3735 South Washburn Street. We'd love to have you take a look at it. You can see it up close, see the quality of it. You can give us a call at 920-769-0611, or you can go to bigrigchromeshop.com, order one of these kits there as well. So thanks a lot. Another product spotlight here. This is Pypes Exhaust. This is one of our newest displays here at the shop.